Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kayle and I do a lot of cleaning motivation videos. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you kind of like my kitchen routine, my cleaning routine that I tend to do every single time that I come to the kitchen and pick it up or deep clean it. So let's go ahead and get started. But before we do, I want to introduce you to my dear friend Denise. She does have a channel here on YouTube. I love her so much. She's just been there for me since back in 2018 when I first started. So she's just an amazing person and has amazing content. She does a lot of cleaning motivation videos. Denise is married with children and they actually just moved into a new home that they are renovating. So they are doing a bunch of different before and afters and major changes. So if you like seeing those videos, please go check her out. I'm going to leave all of her social media stuff down below as well as her YouTube channel. So love you, Denise. So I'll usually just start by picking everything up off the counters that I possibly can, whether it be dirty dishes, put it towards the sink, or if there's stuff on the island, which everyone has that one space in their house that just catches everything. That is our island because we walk in from the garage door right there. So I'll take everything off the island first, clean that, because for whatever reason, seeing a clean island for me makes me really happy. It's like a clean sink for a lot of people. For me, it's the clean island. So I'm just going to wipe it all down and then put everything back that goes on it, like my runner, which I did purchase at Homegoods, just in case if you're wondering, my little basket, which I did purchase at Tj Maxx, and my decor that goes in it is already done, and that is from Tj Maxx, Homegoods, or Marshall's. So I'll go ahead and clean off the counters as well, because when I have to hand wash any dishes, I want to make sure that the counters are clean to where I can put them on the other side of the sink. So I'm just going to wipe down all the counters, and then typically if my stove is really disgusting, I'll go ahead and clean it. This one wasn't as bad today because it was just a bunch of crumbs from when I opened a pizza box. So I just went ahead and wiped down the stovetop, and also I used my vacuum to suck up most of the crumbs, and I thought it was very satisfying, so I left that in there for you guys. And yeah, I just wiped it down again, put everything back on top, and then I moved over to the sink. So next, I will go ahead and unload the dishwasher if I have dishes in it that's already clean. I'm very OCD about making sure that everything is extremely clean. So that's kind of why I kind of pre-wash my dishes. Also, you don't want food floating around in your dishwasher, so I will double triple check everything, and I do that with when I eat my food and stuff. It's weird, it's just something that I do, but I just make sure that I look at everything that is clean and just make sure that there's nothing left on it, because sometimes dishwashers don't get everything. So I'm doing that, unloading it, and then I'm going to start obviously by rinsing all of the other dishes off and putting it back into the dishwasher. So if I have dishes that don't fit in the dishwasher, or like my Starbucks cups, the tumblers that you can't put into the dishwasher, I'm just going to hand wash them. But before I do that, I make sure that I wash my gloves really good, and then also I wash out the sink that I wash the dishes in. So sorry, that was probably like a lot to say, but so now I'm just going to go ahead and wash those really quickly, and then I will get into the deep cleaning of my sink, and a lot of people like that in my videos, so it's one of my favorite parts too. So when I go to deep clean my sink, I will make sure I remove everything off of it, like my soap and stuff. I'm going to start with this powder that for me is very satisfying to use, but I know that my sink is extremely clean after I use it. And then I use my Method Steel for Real spray, and that stuff smells amazing, and it leaves my sink like very shiny, and I feel like it just kind of seals everything together. So I'm going to leave all the products that I'm talking about down below in the description box. The powder that I use, I cannot remember the name of it to save my life right now, but you guys, majority of you guys know like what it is, but I'm going to make sure to leave the link down below for those that don't know what I used. And yeah, I just love the combo together. So after the kitchen is all clean, I'll go ahead and move over to kind of like our dining area. I remove everything off of it if there's anything on it, move the chairs because I know I'm going to sweep and mop, and then I'll go ahead and wipe down the table and sweep, and then use usually kind of like my Swiffer mop. If I'm just doing like a quick clean, I'll use that. And I'm just using my multi-purpose spray by Kayle. It is amazing. I will also leave that link down below if I can find it anywhere other than Grove, because I'm pretty sure it's only sold on Grove, but I will double check.
Think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. Oh, no. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. Oh yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, down,
So I hope y'all loved my kitchen cleaning routine, and I'm about to show you some before and afters. That way you guys can kind of remember what it looked like before. But I tend to do this every single time I do a cleaning video, so I'm sorry if it gets repetitive, but it's really good to get in a routine because things go a lot more smooth when you start to clean and you know what you need to do step by step. So if you have a cleaning routine for like a certain area in your house, let me know down below. I would love to hear about what you guys tend to do and if it helps you in any way. So here's some before and afters. So I decided to throw in a bonus cleaning motivation because I ended up filming it and I was like, you know what, I might as well just throw it in. So this room in my house, you guys typically don't see like ever because it is a random spot in our house. It's supposed to be a game room, but you literally cannot even fit like a 10 by 8 like rug in here because it's so small, and so basically it's just kind of like a holding area for like extra stuff that we have. Like that piece in the back is our ottoman that used to be in our living room, and then an extra piece of our couch because our couch does come apart, and then all the junk that you see on the side of the video is actually a bunch of stuff that I'm giving to PJ's mom, like some art supplies and stuff. So I tend to also fold our laundry in here, so we love a good laundry motivation because, my boyfriend loves that. So I'm going to go ahead and speed fold these and then put them away, and that's going to be the end of my video. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me some heart emojis down below in the comments, and I will see y'all in the next video in the next few days. Love you guys. Bye.